On the 125th birth anniversary of Dr. Ambedkar, the Congress performed a symbolic Bhumi Pujan on the land where the Maharashtra government plans to build a memorial of the leader. With Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and Prime Minister Modi in Germany, Congress leader Sanjay Nirupam is spearheading a protest questioning the sincerity of the government to pay tribute to Dr. Ambedkar.
On the 125th birth anniversary of Baba Saheb Ambedkar, the Congress has staged a protest on the land where the Chief Minister and the Prime Minister are supposed to inaugurate the land where the memorial is supposed to be built. Sir, you've performed a symbolic Bhumi Pujan today. What is the idea behind that?
See, my simple question is, on the birth anniversary, on the birth date of Mahatma Gandhi, this government starts cleanliness drive in India, which is very good. I support it. On the birthday of Sardar Patel, this government starts a campaign run for India. That's very good. I commend this. But when Baba Saheb Ambedkar's birth anniversary is coming, 125th birth anniversary, this government is ignoring Baba Saheb, insulting Baba Saheb, and touring in Europe, in Germany, in France. This is completely insult to our great Indian hero.
Right. You know,
so just opposing that and protesting that, we have come here to perform symbolic Bhumi Pujan. Secondly, this government, state government has announced that on the date of birth anniversary of 125th birth anniversary of Baba Saheb Ambedkar on 14th April today, the Bhumi Pujan will take place.
Right.
But they have cancelled it just to travel out of India.
Right.
So we condemn it.
Okay. So one more thing, you know, with the civic body polls nearing, a lot of people are saying that this is being done to woo Dalit votes. What do you have to say?
It has nothing to do with politics. It is our emotional attachment, our emotional bonding with Baba Saheb ji.
Thank you.
Thank you.